So this is the 2015 Junior Cert Ordinary Level Paper 1 and we're looking at question 4. For her birthday, Rachel went to Belfast with her family. They left Dublin at 2:50 p.m. and arrived in Belfast 2 hours and 20 minutes later. Part A says, at what time did they arrive in Belfast? Okay, so we've got 2:50 p.m. and we're looking to see what time is it, 2 hours and 20 minutes later. So we're going to do the hours first. So if we add 2 hours to that, we would get 4:50 p.m. And then if we add 20 minutes to that, well, 10 minutes would bring us up to 5 p.m. and another 10 would bring us on to 5:10 p.m. Okay, part B, the hotel room cost £140 sterling. The exchange rate was £1 sterling equal to €1.28. So there's our exchange rate there. Find the cost of the hotel room in euro. So 140 sterling, for every pound it's €1.28. So we're just going to multiply 140 by 128 to get the price in euro. So when you do that in your calculator, you get 179.20. Make sure you put your units in. That's euros, €179.20. Part C, the family went to a concert in Belfast. An adult's ticket cost €80. A child's ticket cost €60. Write the cost of a child's ticket as a percentage of the cost of an adult's ticket. So we've got to write the child's ticket cost 60 as a percentage of the adult's ticket cost 80. So first we'll express that as a fraction. So 60 over 80. That's the child's ticket as a fraction of the adult's ticket. And to change a fraction to a percent, we just multiply by 100. So you can put all this in your calculator and you get 75, and that's percent. Part D, there were 4,000 people at the concert. The ratio of children to adults at the concert was 3 to 5. So that means for every, if it's children to adults, for every 3 children there were 5 adults. Find the number of children at the concert. Okay, so when we're doing a ratio question like this, the ratio was 3 to 5. So we're gonna add those ratios. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And then we're going to divide the number of people at the concert by 8. Okay, so 4,000 divided by 8, that gives us 500. So basically the number of people at the concert is split up into 3 parts and 5 parts. Altogether that's 8 parts. So when we divide 4,000 by 8, we're finding out what 1 part is. So 500 is 1 part. So I'll just put that in brackets, that's 1 part. Okay, but it does say that the number of children is 3 parts. So if 1 part is 500, 3 parts would be 500 multiplied by 3, which is 1,500 or 1,500, and that's the number of children at the concert. And that's the end of the question.